Hello, welcome back to my channel. Would you guys believe me if I told you I haven't washed my hair in 3 days? Because I haven't. Anyways, I have partnered with IGK to show you guys how I get my hair to last so long in between washes. So if you're interested in seeing that, then please stay tuned. One more thing before we get started, you guys. IGK and Birdie Beauty is hosting a truly amazing giveaway. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys all the details on that giveaway and how you can enter to win. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end to learn more about that. Good luck to you guys, and let's get started with this video, finally. Okay guys, we're on day 3 here. I haven't washed my hair in 3 days, and this is what it looks like. You know, not too bad, not too greasy. Thankfully, I have thick, kind of coarse hair, so I'm able to get away with not washing it for a few days, which I'm happy about. I personally don't like to wash my hair every day. I feel like washing my hair every day just really dries it out, and when it's dry, it's more susceptible to breakage, especially because it's bleached. So I just don't want that to happen. I want my hair to stay as healthy as possible, so I personally like to push it like 3 to 4 days until I wash my hair. So I wash my hair about every 3 to 4 days. But I want to show you guys how I'm able to go so long in between washes. So IGK has this awesome line of dry shampoos, and I want to talk about these because these are going to be your best friend if you don't want to wash your hair every day. So they have 3 different dry shampoos, and these are super cool because they're all different levels. What do you mean levels? Well, let me explain. Okay, so for an everyday dry shampoo, I love this one. This is the Jet Lag Invisible Dry Shampoo. This one is a super lightweight formula, and it's also buildable, which is nice. So you can use this on a daily basis, and you can also use it multiple times throughout the day. So, you know, I could spray it on in the morning, and then maybe I feel like I need another touch-up at lunchtime, so just spray on a little bit more. It's not gonna like cake up or anything. It's super buildable, which I love. So I love this one for like every day, all day type of thing. The next one they have is the Direct Flight. This one is cool because it's a multitasking matcha dry shampoo. This one is like a medium cleanse level, so when you need an extra boost, you know, your hair is maybe like 2nd day, 3rd day hair type thing. This one is also texturizing and volumizing, so it's gonna give you that like boost, because sometimes when your hair is dirty or oily, it kind of gets weighed down, but this one's gonna give you some volume so it doesn't look too dull or like blah. And then the last one that they have is this First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is their deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. So this is my favorite one. So this one says, heavy duty dry shampoo allows you to go even longer between washes, even after a workout. Charcoal powder lifts dirt and buildup while absorbing oil and sweat. White tea powder soothes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. Perfect for oily scalps, fine, medium to thick, and coarse texture hair. This is the one. This is my absolute favorite one from this line. They're all good, but this one is my best friend, okay? This one really makes it possible to go a long time in between washing my hair, and I love that. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this to style my hair and keep my hair lasting longer in between washes. You don't really need to spray this all over your hair. You pretty much just want to apply it to the areas where you have the most oil, which for me is at the root, right along the scalp, and I think that's the case for most people. So what you want to do is section your hair, and I start from about here. I don't really spray it underneath unless like it's really oily, but I kind of just focus it in the areas that like is most visible. So I section the hair, and then oh, it smells so good also. And then I just spray it in the areas that I want it to be. As you can see, it's kind of white, and that's okay because we're not done. So I just continue to section and spray, and I always move the can as I'm spraying. I don't just hold it, you know. I'm moving it as I'm spraying it. This is also going to make your hair smell amazing. So I'm spraying it in all the areas that I want it to be. Oh my god, just the smell alone makes me so happy. It smells so clean and just so good. And it gives like a really nice cooling effect too. And we're already looking cleaner for sure. Look at that. So my hair looks way more fresh, and if there's any whiteness or anything, you can kind of just go like that and just massage it out of your hair. It won't stay like that, especially if you have darker hair. You just want to take your fingers and kind of massage that area just to kind of blend it in, and then that powdery look will just go away. See? Okay, so I've sprayed that dry shampoo onto my roots. That's really the only place that I personally need it. The ends of my hair don't really get greasy. It's just my scalp area, and I think that's true for most people. But sprayed the dry shampoo onto my roots, and I can really feel it working because after about 30 seconds it gives off this like cooling effect, which I think is super cool. So not only does it smell good, but it feels refreshing, and I just love that in a dry shampoo. I feel like it's working, you know what I mean? Pretty much my hair is good to go, but I am gonna add just a couple curls in the front just to like refresh my whole style. You know, I'm purposely not washing my hair every day because I don't want to dry it out. Styling your hair with any heat tool is also going to cause damage and dry it out, and that's why I'm not going to like recurl my whole head. I'm just going to go ahead and recurl a couple pieces here in the front just to kind of refresh this hairdo just a little bit now that it looks clean again. So I just go in and do this super quickly, just right around the front, just like this. And really, you could spray the dry shampoo in before or after you do this. I just personally like to do it before because I hate curling my hair when it's greasy. I don't really know if it makes a difference, but for me, I like to style it when it feels the cleanest, and it feels cleaner after spraying it with the dry shampoo. So that's why I curl it after. So I just added a couple curls to the front. Just gonna lightly brush those out because that's what I like to do. And that, my friends, is how I keep my hair looking fresh longer in between my washes. You guys, it's that simple. Just a couple quick sprays of the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo and you're good to go. I mean, use this after the gym. You can even use this at nighttime before you go to bed to really absorb those oils so that when you wake up in the morning your hair is fresh and ready to go. I love this stuff, and this is my secret to getting my hair to last so long in between washes. So if you're into dry shampoos and you don't like to wash your hair every day, make sure you check out the IGK Dry Shampoo line. I seriously love them. They're the best dry shampoos that I've personally tried, and they just help me get through life, okay? Definitely my fave. Alright, I know you've been waiting for that giveaway, so here it is. IGK Hair and Birdie Beauty are giving you the chance to experience the ultimate treatment with an all-expenses, yes, all-expenses paid trip to Miami to go to the IGK Hair Salon. At the IGK Miami Salon, you're gonna get a color and cut. Yeah, I know. I told you, it's amazing. You're also gonna get the entire IGK Hair collection and Master and Dynamic Pod. Yeah, I know. I told you it was a truly amazing giveaway. So make sure you check out my description box for the link on how to enter. You can enter anytime between March 11th and March 22nd. This giveaway is US only, and the winner will be notified via email. So good luck. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you sign up to win, and good luck to you guys. I hope you guys win. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love to share my tips and tricks with you guys. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And don't be shy, you guys. Come say what's up in the comment section. I love to talk to you guys, and I try to respond back to all of my comments. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye!